Hello, Bitcoin Jason here. It's early AM. It's wanting to show you how to use Cash Rain. Now, I have my own channel here where you can come and you can allow me to rain on you Bitcoin Cash just by being a follower and subscriber to my socials. So here we've got some winners here. Congratulations to Alex, who got $1.25 from me by just being subscribed and part of my following group in Cash Rain and my Twitter and so forth. So what I'm going to do for you guys is I am going to attempt to show you how to have your own Cash Rain account, how to set yourself up, that you may get rewarded for following your favorite social media personalities, the people that you like to support. This is a great thing about Cash Rain. You can receive Bitcoin Cash tips, but if you want to support your favorite Bitcoin Cash personality that's working hard to spread adoption, both retail or merchant, you can basically add your Bitcoin Cash into the channel to rain on the people that are in there and create a little bit of fun and excitement. So let us move forward here. I am going to, these are different communities that you can have. These are different communities here. I mean, you've got king.com and all this, and you've got all these different people here. And wow, Ray, my friend Ray's on here. This is very nice to see. You know what? I'm going to subscribe. So once you've developed your account, you just verify that you're following these people, okay? And that this allows you to enter into getting rained on with Bitcoin Cash, okay? Now, one thing I want to make clear that this is not a pyramid scheme or a get rich quick scheme. This is basically a platform where you can receive Bitcoin Cash and give Bitcoin Cash if you so want to. So there's my channel there, Bitcoin Jason, number 13 on the charts on communities here. So I've just started this. Go here. This is my channel. And this is where you can rain. Let it rain. Oh, you know what? I put in an invoice and you know what? I'm feeling lucky. All right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to my wallet. I'm going to deposit some Bitcoin Cash to rain down on my subscribers. So it's about $150 Australian. There we go. And here we go. I've just rained down. Someone has just got $25 from me. These people here, Elon Musk, if you can believe it or not, these people got $2.50 each just by me putting them. Now there's still $65 American, 0.5 BCH that can be rained upon you on the remaining 75 participants. So I better get quick and get my link out. So let me get a link together. So I put out a tweet here. I use Memo as well. Okay, so here's my link. So you go to the invite. It's there. So I'm gonna have to put this in a new browser. So copy link address. I'm gonna go to a browser. So I'm going to go here. Alright, so I'm going to sign up. So to sign up to CashRain, I would advise that you have a Bitcoin Cash wallet that is empty, that is designed for you to get tips or put tips in. Mate, no, this is a receive address. So this is not actually your wallet. So you don't worry. Like if you have I would suggest that you make a brand new wallet for your CashRain, so you can see exactly what's coming in. I'm going to do this right now. I'm going to make a new wallet for the Bitcoin Cash City. So I'm going to go Bit. Now this is on my phone. Now, okay, so I've made a new account, a new wallet, sorry, let's be clear. So I am going to scan this uh, bitcoincash.com wallet here. I'm going to create an account right now. So please verify your ownership. Right, scan this code or tap to open a BCH wallet. Okay, so I'm going to scan it. I'm going to choose, because I have many wallets, I am going to choose which wallet it's going to access, which is going to be the Bitcoin Cash City Rain account. A Rain wallet, sorry. So I just swipe that across, and I'm going to add to fill in these details. So fill out the details, click register. Alright, hey Bitcoin Cash City. Alright, here we go. So I am going to follow Bitcoin Jason, because Bitcoin Jason wants to support the Bitcoin Cash City. So where is Bitcoin Jason? Look at all these communities. Okay, I'm going to join the community. Okay, I'm going to go down to here. Okay, so Twitter account. And this is the Twitter account of Bitcoin Cash City, BCH City official. Okay, that'll do for now. I'm going to invite friends. Okay, so I'm going to make a Twitter thing. Okay. Boom. All right. Joby Bailey, good to see him on CashRain. Awesome. Nice. Look at all these fantastic. Fantastic. Great, Jason. So, okay, so you retweet, like and retweet this post to participate in CashRain. don't mind if I do. All right, cool. So let's see what the Bitcoin Cash City's done. So it's this platform is a viral way to engage with your subscribers, your followers, and basically, yeah, okay, we're all good there. Jackpot here. Bitcoin Joan has reigned 132 or 0.895 BCH to 80 members. Congratulations to Luna. Shot of giants. So we've got to verify. Okay, it's slow there. All right. So let's create a channel. Oh, here we go. Go up here. Create a community. Bitcoin Cash City. So yeah, you just put your socials in. All right, so it's currently under review. I am going to put in some BCH. So I am going to put in 100 USD for our cash rainers for people subscribing to the Bitcoin Cash City official. All right. So I'm going to create a new post. Tweet that out. All right. I'm going to share this post. Copy the link. I'm going to go to Cash Rain. I'm going to put this in. Boom. I am going to put $100 worth of USD into this course. I'm going to start ends in 24 hours, right? And I am going to create it right now. Boom, 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 boom. Create cash box. All right, I'm going to scan this. All right. Boom. Anyway, guys, that is basically the start of it. If I would go back to my cash rain, this has been a great thing. I've already have tons of subscribers that have joined up. All right, guys. So I'm Bitcoin Jason. Follow the work of the Bitcoin Cash City on YouTube. This is where you can see the work of the Bitcoin Cash City, the wonderful merchants that we have. I'm also on YouTube at Bitcoin Jason. This is my YouTube channel, where this is just like a daily blog of what I do, but the official work of what happens in the Bitcoin Cash City you can find here at Bitcoin Cash City on YouTube. Currently we have 529 subscribers. Let me know if you've subscribed to the Bitcoin Cash City and catch the Bitcoin Cash rain. Yeah. All right. I'm Bitcoin Jason. It's been a pleasure doing this tutorial video for you for Kim.com's wonderful platform called Cash Rain. Follow the links if you're on there to get plugged into the community. Cashrain.com, or you can follow the invite links and receive our special bonuses. I'm Bitcoin Jason, and just remember, if you've got Bitcoin Cash, and you will get it through Cash Rain, you are, I am, we are all Satoshi. Let's do our part. Take care.